How is it going, everybody? Just thought I'd stop by and give you a really quick video today. I'm taking care of a problem that I've had on my car for a little while now. You've seen the video. The ABS inoperative light is on, and I want to try to diagnose, since I have access to the tools now, and pass on the information that I learned to you guys and gals so that it might help you. I mean, it might be something simple, it might be something not so simple, but we're going to find out together. So let me get the tool, get it hooked up, and we'll go from there. Alright, what we're trying to do is figure out what that is right there. We know it's ABS inoperative, but why is it inoperative? So to find out, the easiest way is to have a scan tool. Put on scan diagnostics. Domestic. Alright, let's do the diagnostic automated system test. Enter. Sorry for the flickering, but that's the screen rate of the diagnostic scanner plus the screen rate of the, frame rate of the scanner and the frame rate of the phone do not match. That's why you're getting the flickering. Doing this during my lunch break, trying to figure this bad boy out. And I'm checking everything, running a diagnostic test and a specialized test. This is what it says. Ignition, make sure the ignition is turned on, tester the vehicle cable connection is correct. Check ground and power and check wiring and fuses. And lo and behold, I don't know if you can see that or not, but I got a burnt ABS fuse. 5 ampere. But that's how you check it, using a this is the first generation of onboard diagnostics. This is the OBD1. So you got to have a scanner. This is one of the fancy scanners. You can get some of the smaller ones from your local auto parts store and everything. But that's all you do. Plug it in, tell it what you want to do, and check the fuse. As you can see, that one's blown. So now we'll put a fuse in it, and I'll give you an update this afternoon or something. Make sure that light goes off after I put the fuse in. Okay, we're out of the car. I'm going to show you exactly where your fuses are located, so let me get you turned around and show you. If you come under the hood, the fuses for the ABS will be in this panel, just in the very front right corner of your engine compartment. Just open it up. And as you can see, right in here is all everything you need to know. It shows the order and everything. And what we want to do is check that one and check that one. But I've already checked this one, and it is blown. So that is my problem. So I'm going to swap that one out and put a new one in, and the light will be gone. I just wanted to show you where everything is at and how it's labeled, so you'll know. And as you can see, I now have it running, and the light is not on. But I just want to give you a quick little video on how to check the ABS system, with the scanner and everything. Like I said, they make smaller, more portable units that you can buy anywhere. This is just an old one we have here at the shop, and I have access to it, so I wanted to use it. My light's been on for a while, and I wanted to see what it was. So now you know that if your ABS light just all of a sudden comes on, be sure to check the fuse that I showed you. And that should save you a little bit of headache. I hope this video helped. Get out there and drive your car. I gotta get back to work, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Busy day. They brought this Nissan Xterra in, said it wouldn't pass inspection. Well, O2 sensor's bad in it. Let me show you this debacle. So when I first started, they had this Z28 in, needed another engine. So we took the original engine out. So they sent an engine, started putting it together, as you can see, had it all nice and neat and everything. Well, lo and behold, the wrong block. Well, actually the camshaft in it was wrong. the way the distributor hooks up to the camshaft. It was wrong. So they sent another one, number 2. We opened it up, looked at it. You could see where it had been welded and everything. This is not it, but I'm just showing you the engine while I'm talking. They sent number 2. We opened it up. Along here had been welded on both sides. I don't know what they did to them, what they destroyed on them, but they had to weld, and you can see the grinding. And it wouldn't have been so bad, but it had bright red marks on it showing where they had actually worked. And then we could have probably lived with that, made it work. But one of the push rods, you could look at it and it had a bow to it. I wish I'd have got video of it, but it had a bow to it. And the reason I didn't get video is because we put the cover right back on it, sent it back to them. So what we have right here now is remanufactured engine number 3. And so far everything appears to be right. See the dowel pin for the camshaft, which locates on the distributor. And yeah, that's what I've been doing, waiting on that. Now we get to put it together and get her going. And for those of you that have never seen the underneath of a 4th gen Camaro, here you go. Back side of the radiator, your ABS unit, your booster and master cylinder, tunnel for the transmission. And it'll probably get windy here in just a second, so I'll have to cut it off. But this is the underneath of one if you've never seen one. That way you get a good view of everything under one of these cars. Torque arm hooks up right there. Goes all the way up to the side of the transmission. Locates right here on the side of the transmission, which this car is getting a new transmission too. The fellow decided, well, since I'm redoing the engine, I might as well redo the transmission also, which is a correct response. Why not? But I just thought I'd show you what I've been up to. Hope you guys enjoy.